Whoa, what's happening with it, D-Law? Guess what? This your boy Pre, and we back at it again. Now today, we got some action for the Tundra. This here mount, all right. We got another addition to the mount today. Today we're gonna add the shovel on it. Let's get it. All right, so for this little task, you don't need much but your mounts. I got these off of Amazon, and Allen key and something to hold back up on this little backup piece. So now for me, I kind of want to go up a little higher on mine. So I'm gonna go with try it up top. I don't know how this design, I don't know if you can kind of see where that little T slide is. That'll slide in between there. So it'll lock it in where it needs to be. So really, you won't even need a backup. Let's see. We'll go. That's it. Now let's tighten up. Tighten that old boy up. So it is rubber, so it's gonna spread, and it ain't gotta be. It ain't got to have 400 foot-pounds. You know, just tight enough where it won't come off. You feel my drift. So now, let's see what the verdict is. Hopefully I ain't got to do no adjustments. Let's see. I'm definitely gonna have to do some adjustments, because I need this one to be slide back this way. Matter of fact, Let's see what the verdict is there. That's a done deal. Oh boy, let's see. I don't know about y'all, but I like it. Yeah. I like that right there. I really do. But as you saw, that'll only take a few minutes, maybe about 5 minutes, and it'll save you some bucks, man. I'll drop the links to the items that I got. Maybe a total cost of 20 bucks. That might be all it cost me for that little setup right there. Yeah. In the meantime, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.